TSA.com. Look, just want to get on. It's Monday. What's the date?
March 3rd.
March 4th. And we got Carryon right here going out. Carryon with a kickstand. He got everything. A hard shell bag. I think he got long range hard shell bag, kickstand. Actually, I'll tell you. TSA Carryon. Extra charger. He's going to get the travel bag. He's going to get the hard shell. And he's going to get the kickstand. So that's a full package right there. It's going out to California. Thank you, David. Then we have another one going out to Jacqueline in Kansas. And it's going to be a TSA Carryon also in blue. And then the last one is Barbara going to Florida, St. Petersburg, Florida. We want to thank everyone for ordering. We're packaging them up today. We just got the orders in over the weekend. They're shipping out today. They'll be to you very soon. So if you're seeing this video and you need a really cool scooter, check out the Carryon from CarryonUSA.com. We ship fast. We ship from our location to you so we can control our inventory. We unbox them, we check things out, we package it back up, we ship it to you, and we give you a free gift. Is there a hard shell bag back here? We give you a free bag for the backs and the videos. Thank you so much. But tell me some of the things you've done with it.
I've taken it in my yard to get around in my yard. I've taken it over cobblestone.
And she says she's shaking, so you're not going to want to drive it always through cobblestones. But if you have to.
Yeah, it worked. Yeah, but I mean, I've had it on inclines, declines. It works really good.
Has it been easy to get in and out the car?
So easy.
And traveling with it? She's done a little bit of traveling. We do have a Carryon TSA for more traveling on the airplanes. She has the long range she has the standard Carryon, which is the same as the TSA, but a little bit different. So what else? Would you recommend it?
Yes, very much so.
To you, we always got really good service from you. I've got everything I've needed. I've been thrilled. I love the scooter. I take it everywhere with me. I use it every day. I get stopped 10 times at the doctor's office. Everybody wants to know about this scooter because it's small, it's compact. I can put it in the car. It's easier when he does, but I can do it. And I'm telling you, it's a good deal. I think it's affordable. I think it's compact. It gets me where I want to go. It's been very dependable. I went on a big cruise ship and I did 30% of that ship. So I bought one of these. Now I can go offshore. I'm on the dock. I'm visiting. I'm telling you, it changed my life. Chris, what you do here is phenomenal.